This is my daughter. She's 2 years old now, and I got this high chair just before she was born, and I'm going to have to tell you, this is one of my all-time favorite products I've ever gotten, and I've tried out several different types of high chairs in the past, beginning with the first one. My first one, I thought I needed to get her a very fancy, cushy princess chair, but with experience, I found out those expensive cushy chairs require a lot of cleaning and upkeep. Yeah. If I'm spending that much time cleaning, I'm spending less time with my daughter. So this one actually came with another layer on top, which I unfortunately damaged it, and so now it's not with us anymore. This has a 5-point harness. I love how this high chair can be converted into a regular toddler seat. All right, so our little one went to take her nap, and I can give you a better look at this high chair that I am completely in awe of. Seriously, it has like this nice foam but thin pad, and to me it's just right. We really don't need any more cushion than that, and the strap's just super easy to take in and out. You just flatten that little piece and pull it through. It's a nice flexible, like foamy thing, and it's very comfy. You just pull on this latch here, comes off real easy. Here's your booster chair if you want to use it as a booster chair for a bigger kid. Has its own buckles. Another cool thing is that there's these compartments here to hold additional straps. The reason for that is sometimes we want to go to a neighbor's house and eat over. So we'll just take this whole chair with us and use those straps to hold it down on a regular chair. Put it on there and take the straps and then buckle it under the chair, and from behind, you're good to go. This is the best part of this whole thing. If you have a big sink like me, you're lucky. So I just give it a good spray down, add soap. It cleans right off. Seriously, I don't really have to do a lot of scrubbing. With some hot water and the sprayer, practically cleans itself. And here, being in the sink, I can just, get into all those nooks and crannies and make sure that it's sanitary. I literally just take the whole chair, lean it back a little bit, and do the same thing. Just really spray it down and soap it up. I take a washcloth. Really it's just the easiest thing I've ever had. And it really beats those fancy chairs with all the cushions and stuff that make it look pretty. This really beats those fancy chairs with all their bells and whistles. This is the way to go. Yeah, it's super easy. And seriously, I'm getting all the gunk out of there right into the sink. With all of those features and the ease of use, this is by far my most favorite product, probably one of the most favorite products in my whole house. If you have babies, this is just amazing. It's lasted. Yeah, I've lost some parts, but it's still going strong, and we're using it on a daily basis. We're really super happy with it. It definitely has my recommendation. I hope this was helpful for you.